Hi all, once again welcome back to my channel, and today the topic is about the highly discussed issue mainly among the youngsters. That's how to get rid of acne, pimple and scar. You guys might have spent enough money on buying the products for acne, pimple and scar. For some it might have worked, and for some it might have not worked, and for some of them it might have came back once you stop using other products. So today I have come up with a home remedy that works 99%. Trust me guys, I'm not talking just by hearing from someone. This has really worked. I'm talking with the experience. So within 3 days you would be able to find the difference, and eventually with the usage of this remedy it goes off completely. So let's begin then. And one more thing, the good thing about this remedy is that it not only works for the acne, pimple and scar, it also works for people who are suffering from eczema. Eczema is a condition where the person's face, body is covered with acne or red color pimples. So for them also this is really very helpful. Trust me, you guys gonna thank me for this one, because I have seen how step by step this works, and you're left with a clear glowing skin. So without wasting any time, let me show you what are the things that you should use in order to get rid of acne, pimple, scar and eczema. So the first thing that you have to use is coconut oil. It's not clear. Okay, I'm sorry for the sliding. So the first thing that you have to use is coconut oil. Now coconut oil is easily available everywhere. So what you have to do is take coconut oil, massage it on the affected area. In fact, you can massage it all over your body, because this doesn't have any side effects. So you can massage it all over your body, or you can just go with the affected areas. So you have to gently massage, like how you apply the cream on your face. You have to you have to do a gentle massage with this coconut oil on the affected area. And one more thing, it's not like that if you go for a branded coconut oil or if you go for a cheaper one there's some difference. You can just go with the basic coconut oil that you get. You don't have to go for a branded one, because let it be branded or let it be this the cheapest one, the results is going to be same. So don't worry about going for a branded one, or you can just go for the basic one. And yeah, you have to gently massage. And then, so the next thing that you have to do is the key step in getting rid of acne, and that is oatmeal. So if you see that this is powder, what you have to do is you have to get oatmeal. You can go for the cheapest one. There's no need of going for a branded one, because let it be branded or let it be cheapest one, it works the same. So there's no point in wasting money. So go for the cheapest oatmeal. Get it and blend it into a fine powder. You can do for like half kg or 1 kg, and you can store it, and then daily you can use the powder. So what you have to do, you have to blend it into a fine powder. And then once you are done with the oil massage, you have to soak this one into water 1 minute, and then apply it on your affected area. Again, you can apply it on your entire body and face, because this is natural and it has no side effects. So you can apply it all over your body, or just the or you can just go with the affected area. So apply this and keep it for 3 to 5 minutes, not more than that, because again, keeping it for 15-20 minutes also has the same result. Keeping it for 3 to 5 minutes. So keep it for 3 to 5 minutes, and then once you are done, take a shower. So the thing is, I usually do it before going for a shower. Now you don't want to do it before going for a shower and you have enough time, then you can do it whenever you want. So these are the steps, but I would suggest doing it before the shower, so that once you're done with the oil massage and oat facial, you can take bath and feel the freshness. But guys, I'm not lying about it, the result is 99%. You can just go try and see the result, find the difference within 3 days, and once you see the difference, you can come back and like this video and can subscribe to my channel. This is a sure shot remedy that's definitely gonna help in getting rid of acne, pimple, scar and eczema. But one thing, in this process, for few of the people, not everybody, you may feel a little bit of dryness, and also you would get acne patches, which would eventually go with the usage. But if you do not want, if you are someone who is impatient and who do not want to wait for long to see the result, but like I said, that oatmeal and coconut oil works 99%. Only for the people who are impatient and who want the dryness and the patches, the acne patches, to go away quickly and can't wait for this entire process. For them, I would suggest to go for Aveeno cream. Now Aveeno cream, I think it is available in India also. I would check the link if it is I'm sure it is available online. I would link it down, the link for this cream. Oatmeal and coconut work with 99%, and you don't have to spend money on this Aveeno cream as well. But if you want to go for it, then you can definitely give this cream as well a try. And one more thing, that cream's main ingredient is again a oatmeal. That's all, guys. So this is the home remedy that definitely get you the clear glowing skin, and go give it a try. And once you see the result, definitely come back and like this video and share your thoughts, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, people, just in case, which is not gonna happen for sure, just in case, for people whom this has not worked, please, for them also, do share your comment, because even I want to see that there are people for whom this has not worked. Okay, then go give it a try, and say bye bye to acne, pimple and eczema. So until we meet again, take care and enjoy your day, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon in order to get all the latest updates. So take care, bye bye.